How to fix audio live problem on Facebook. So if you want to fix the audio live problem on your Facebook, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can open up your Facebook and go with what's on your mind. Once you tap on what's on your mind, now here you need to scroll down and here you will have live video option, right? So you can just simply tap on live video or live audio. But if you don't find the live audio option, then it means that you updated your Facebook application. So if you've recently updated, then you can go with the uninstall updates section, which will be under your settings. So you need to tap and hold on to your Facebook and go with the app info. And here you need to just go with uninstall updates. If you have the uninstall updates option, you can go and uninstall the updates. But if you don't find the updates, then you need to just remove your Facebook application from your device. Tap and hold on to your Facebook, go with uninstall and uninstall the application. After uninstalling the application, you can open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and you need to go with your search and search for Facebook old version. Once you search for Facebook old version, now here you will have a lot of websites that will provide you the Facebook old versions. So you need to go with the old version of your Facebook and scroll down, tap on see more, and here you need to go with the old version like 1 or 2 years back or even 3 to 4 years back. And after that, select the version. After selecting the version, you can scroll down and here you will have all of the information about the application. If you find live audio, then you can just simply scroll down and then go with download, which is right here, and download this application. This version. After downloading this, you can just log into your account and you will find your live audio option on your Facebook. But if you still don't have that option, then that means Facebook have removed that option with the updates and you won't be able to use your live audio. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.